Yeah, what's up? It's HG Drifts here, and welcome. This is probably going to be the first video on my channel, and today's going to be the start of something pretty fun. Alright, just a little bit of backstory. I got into drifting about a year ago. I had an 05 350Z. Unfortunately, I got into an accident. It was 100% medically related. And I was going down the interstate at about 80 miles an hour, blacked out, car drifted off the road, and lunged itself into the woods for about 80 feet. So in the meantime, it's now July, and it's time I get back to drifting. So a couple days ago, I bought an S13 chassis. Well, today, and the content for today's video is going to be the engine that's going into it. So here in a little bit, you'll start seeing more and more as to what's going to be happening with this S13. I'll probably insert some pictures here of the chassis just so you can kind of see where it's going. It's got a long way to go before it's going to be on the track and drifting, but got the chassis. We're going to get something for the chassis today, and it's going to be tons of fun. I've got a couple of my buddies coming to help me out, and I'm gonna get ready for today. All right, so we're on the road now. John, you want to tell the people where we're going? Holy shit, there's all the drinks. Junkyard. Oh, come on, man.
Oh, my bad, bro.
This dude's been saying we're going to the Junkyard every day with his Hispanic ass. So we're on our way to LKQ in Orlando. Yesterday we went there like maybe an hour before they closed, and we, out of all the cars we looked through, we found an 01 Chevy Silverado, or not Chevy Silverado, Chevy Suburban that has a 5.3 iron block in it, and it's mine. I don't care what anybody says, it's mine now. So we're on our way to the Junkyard, and we're gonna go pull this bad bitch.
My dad's make it hurt.
All right, so we just got to LKQ. It's Pat. Where's John?
Right here.
So we just got to the Junkyard. Pulled up. This is the POS we're pulling this 5.3 out of, which is
Honestly in pretty good shape.
Yeah, like it really could be worse, and so
Let's see if it spins. We're good.
yeah, so we've got honestly quite a bit of work ahead of us, but full send, baby, full send. All right. Oh, dude, we are so mint.
It's spinning so easy because there's no compression for it.
Dude,
all the plugs are out. It's been so easy.
Dude, we're looking like we got a good ass block. Oh, what a find, dude. For just coming here on a whim yesterday, like, that's so sick. All right.
Just gonna spin all the way over, just
Yeah.
make sure they all go up and down.
Dude,
That's it.
this is so sick. This is coming out and working out so well so far. I'm so excited to see where this goes, and I'm even more excited to get it home, get it cleaned up, and start building it. All right, so we're about an hour in, and the engine is, aside from the motor mounts, all ready to come out. Trans is unbolted. All the extra shit, headers are off. So now all that's left is we're gonna mount up the engine mount thingy. Yeah, that. And
Which is very helpful.
other than that, we're just gonna pull the motor mounts, and she's out. She's ours. Engine's all locked up, ready to come out. Yeah, just gotta grab the pry bar. John, hold on.
Yes, sir.
Where do you want me to go?
I was just gonna say, if you get underneath it, like pry bar against the trans, and it'll pop. I just feel like that'd be the easiest way to do it.
Okay. Oh, this shit hot.
What, this? Oh yeah.
These my daddies make it hurt.
Ready? Hold on. It's the motor's caught on something. It might be getting hung the motor mount a little bit, but
I said it's clear.
I mean, I really am too. Alright, so engine's pulled. We're going to grab the cart to get it out of here. But other than that, we're pretty much done. Like, this thing is...
What was that, like 2.5 hours?
What time is it?
It's almost 12:01.
So an hour and a half.
Yeah.
No.
We've been here working.
Oh, 2.5, like 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
But, I mean, she's dirty as hell. She's gonna
Get cleaned up.
probably get cleaned up. Yeah. And it doesn't even look
Bad.
No, I'm not seeing any cracks or anything. There's some corrosion.
That's just on the head though.
Yeah, that's
It's gonna get a new head gasket anyway.
yeah. So
Yeah, I don't see
she's
cracks.
a beaut and she's mine. So stoked, guys. All right, baby girl's all loaded up and we're taking her home now. After we go get some food. It's hot. I want some AC. I'm hungry. All right, so engine is back at the house now, and we're gonna unload it. Start cleaning that baby up.
These my daddies make it hurt.
So it's been a very busy first day on this build. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but the actual chassis is in Tennessee. We're gonna go up in a couple weeks to get that, but the first few videos are gonna be us building the 5.3 to get ready when we go up to Tennessee to get the chassis. We're gonna have to do tubed front and rear end before we bring it down here, because I've got some buddies up there who are gonna hook it up and want to be there for that, help them out because they're helping me out so much. Other than that, tomorrow, start going to work, or in the next video, it might be same day, but I haven't figured that out yet. I'm kind of tired, so might go take a nap. But it's gonna be tearing it down, cleaning it up, and seeing where we need to go, what we need to do. Should be tons of fun. It's gonna be a learning experience. It's funny, I never really thought that my first build would be an LS, like building an engine from the kind of the ground up. Like, I always kind of thought like maybe SR or even, you know, JZ or something like that, but like never an LS. So I guess I am an LS guy now.
Sick. But all right, guys, that's it for today. Have a good rest of the day. Stay tuned next week for episode 2, and we'll have a lot more fun with that one, because I can let you know right now, there's going to be some interesting stuff going on in tomorrow's video. So, all right, see you later, guys.